Roofing combined with solar panel installation is one of the fastest growing home improvement businesses in 2025. In this video, I'll show you how to maximize profits and avoid costly mistakes. Welcome to your guide on roofing and home improvement services. Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of roofing and home improvement services, a crucial aspect of maintaining your home's value, safety, and overall functionality. Whether you're considering a complete roof replacement or exploring energy-efficient upgrades like solar panel installation, this video will give you valuable insights to make informed decisions. Let's get started. Understanding the cost breakdown of roofing projects. One of the most common questions homeowners have is, how much will it cost? Roofing projects vary widely in price, depending on factors such as material type, roof size, labor costs, and the complexity of the installation. For instance, asphalt shingles are more affordable, with an average cost ranging from $5,000 to $8,000 for a standard-sized roof, while metal roofing can cost upwards of $10,000 due to its durability and longevity. On the high end, slate roofs can exceed $20,000, but offer unmatched aesthetic appeal and a lifespan of up to 100 years. Don't forget to factor in additional costs for underlayment, permits, and potential repairs to damaged decking. Breaking down these costs beforehand ensures there are no surprises along the way. The power of project time lapses, visualizing the process. Ever wondered what goes into a roofing project from start to finish? Time-lapse videos are a fantastic way to showcase the process, from removing old materials to installing new ones and ensuring proper ventilation. These visuals not only highlight the craftsmanship involved, but also give homeowners a clear understanding of how long a project might take. For example, a straightforward roof replacement typically takes 1 to 3 days, while more complex projects involving custom designs or solar panel integration may extend to a week or more. Seeing the transformation unfold can help you appreciate the value of professional roofing services. Avoiding common roofing mistakes. Tips for success. Roofing mistakes can lead to costly repairs and even structural damage over time. Some common errors include improper installation of flashing, neglecting attic ventilation, and using low-quality materials to cut costs. These issues can result in leaks, mold growth, and reduced energy efficiency. Hiring experienced contractors who adhere to industry standards is essential to avoid these pitfalls. Always ask for references, certifications, and warranties when choosing a roofing company to ensure they deliver top-notch results. Remember, investing in quality now prevents headaches later. Solar panel installation, the future of roofing. As energy efficiency becomes a top priority for homeowners, the demand for solar panel integration with roofing systems is on the rise. Combining solar panels with your roof not only reduces your electricity bills, but also increases your property's value. Hybrid solutions, such as Tesla's solar roof tiles, seamlessly blend renewable energy technology with durable roofing materials. While the upfront cost can be significant, ranging from $15,000 to $30,000, many homeowners find the long-term savings and environmental benefits well worth the investment. If you're considering this option, consult with contractors who specialize in both roofing and solar panel installation to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Thank you for joining us today. Whether you're planning a big-ticket roofing project or exploring innovative solutions like solar panels, we hope this information has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. See you next time.